Sarif. Atas yang
And you've gotten curious, so let your feelings out, stop playing. Cause you know I am fine. I got a feeling. Don't you wanna come a little closer?
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh from the city of Makassar. I'm now at the booth of organized by PERDIC. It's something like association for the disabilities in the city of Makassar. And now I also meet a very famous person from the PERDIC. Yeah, okay, Bro Sarif, tell us about the activity. What are the objectives and what is going on here?
So in PERDIC, actually, PERDIC is an organization that concerns on disability issues, and then we are working especially in South Sulawesi, but also we cover some area in Eastern Indonesia.
It's Indonesia? Not only in South Sulawesi province? Wow.
Not only in South Sulawesi, but sometimes we support our colleague in West Sulawesi.
West Sulawesi, yeah. Alright.
Southeast Sulawesi.
Southeast.
Yeah, and our friend from Maluku.
Maluku as well. Alright.
So in PERDIC we have some activities. We do research.
Research,
and
alright.
Also we create a product that can support our working in PERDIC. We provide a book,
like a book, goodie bag, something like that.
Shirt,
t-shirt as well. Like this, yeah. Alright.
So,
alright.
That's our creativity in PERDIC to support our work.
Yeah, we are in the area organized by the Ministry of Social of Indonesia, and now today is the International Disabilities International Day. Yeah. All right. So PERDIC is a part of the event, the program also. Yeah.
Actually, the International Day of People with Disability is a international event. Not only social minister, but other sectors also that concern on disability issues. But for today, this place is owned by the national
ministry. Yeah.
Ministry
Yeah.
of
Okay.
Social.
Okay.
So yeah, we collaborate with them to create this event.
Okay, so PERDIC is taking part in this event.
Yes.
And you share your productivity from your organization, like a book or.
So I'm the chairperson of this
chairperson. All right.
Committee of this event, and then after many discussion, we agreed to celebrate this event in this place.
The theme of the International Day is amplifying the leadership of a person with disability for an inclusive and sustainable future.
Yeah.
What your opinion about the future of disabilities in South Sulawesi, especially surrounding areas in?
So as we can see now, the issue of people with disability already raised.
All right.
We try to mainstreaming this issue.
Mainstreaming this is all right.
Mainstreaming this issue, and also we encourage person with disability to taking part in all sectors. Like they can also working in the government sector. They can also
contribute.
They can contribute in the politic things. So, from that perspective, we hope people with disability can join in all aspects in our life and contribute in the development.
All right. Have you seen based on your understanding about the current situation here, do you see a significant progress about the the policy, the program, or the responsibility of the local government about the issues here?
So, Makassar, especially
Uh-huh.
since 3 years ago, already published about disability action plan.
All right.
Yeah, but we didn't talk about the implementation. The
Mhm.
implementation is still poor, but actually, the disability action plan is a good response for the government to support the needs of people with disability.
Okay, good.
And also in provincial level, our Bapelitbangda, Provinsi Sulawesi Selatan also collaborate with Bakti through program inclusive.
All right.
Create the document about disability action plan. So the disability action plan encourage all sector, not only dinas sosial, but other sector to have a program that support the needs of people with disability in education, sector,
Transportation. Health.
employment.
Do you one last? Do you have something like expectation or your hopes for the new leaders in South Sulawesi province, especially provincial, district and municipalities? Do you have any expectation for them?
Actually, based on their own visi misi, I didn't see any about disability issues. But, I hope because now we already initiate the disability action plan. We already give the perspective of inclusion and disability to the local government. We hope in the future their program not only in social sector but in all aspects. In education sectors, they create inclusive school. In health sector, they provide services that can support people with disability. And the most important thing, in transportation, we have public transportation that accommodate the needs of people with disability.
Sarif Ramadan, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah.